Welcome back into Talking Fitchburg. I'm out at the Rolling Pin Bake Shop just off Fish Hatchery Road, and I'm here with one of the best owners that I know of Rolling Pin. Just kidding. It's Tanya. Tanya, how you doing?
Fine. How are you, Jeremy?
I'm fine. Real fine.
Good. Spring
first
is outside, right?
It is.
Yeah.
I first want to thank you. I bought a pie from you recently, and we had a little pie eating contest.
Yeah, how was
on
it?
Fact TV, and it was amazing.
Good.
We were not expecting the actual, so it was a banana cream pie. We were
That's
not
right.
actually expecting the bananas at the.
What would you expect there?
I
It's a
don't-
banana
it's-
cream
I
pie.
don't know. I've never had a banana cream pie before.
All right. Well, bananas are the main ingredient in a banana cream pie.
I'm just saying, all my staff really enjoyed it. and
That's
we
wonderful.
did, so,
I'm glad you liked it.
Yes, I appreciate it. It was a very busy day for Pie Day, so.
It was very busy.
But I've asked you to help us create a Easter, with
Mm-hmm.
Easter just right around the corner, some fun treats, and you're actually gonna let me get involved today. We've agreed, we negotiated, and what do we got here? Before I destroy
Jeremy,
it.
you're gonna be a cake designer today. So
Oh, boy.
we are going to have chocolate cake with buttercream frosting, little bunny cookies, and chocolate eggs.
Chocolate eggs, I'm
Yep.
all in.
All right.
I'm all
let's
in.
do it.
What's step one? Well, first tell us
So-
how you got to this cake.
Well, I baked.
You baked it? I knew it.
I baked thicker layer of chocolate cake. Okay, and then I cut the chocolate cake into 3 pieces. It's easy, right? Cutting the cake. So I made buttercream frosting, but it's a little bit spring green.
All right, well, for those who don't know what buttercream is, can you just tell us what's included in
Well,
that
it's
ingredient?
butter and some powdered sugar, vanilla, and that's it.
And then some food coloring.
And some food coloring, yes.
Hey, I'm just saying, that's, if I'm gonna make this, I'm gonna have to know. I'm gonna
That's
have to
right.
know.
Okay.
All right, so you've got this whipped up and ready to go.
Okay, so I'm gonna scoop a little bit of buttercream and put between the layers. Okay.
How thick should the layers be? What's your standard here at Rolling Pin?
No, well, this is the thickness you're looking for.
Half
and
of an
little
inch.
bit, right? Half an inch. Yeah, that's a good. That's a good.
You're like, whatever, we just make it happen.
Yep, that's it. And I'm layering with buttercream.
Starting from the
within-
inside, working your way out.
Yep.
Look at that, I'm very observant.
He is already a cake designer.
We're almost ready for me to actually do
There
something.
we go. Yes. Hold on just a second.
Just stand off to the side, get on my way.
So I'm gonna try to ice the cake. You don't have to be extremely perfect because it's like just fun Easter cake. I'm gonna do it as quick as possible. And texture cakes are in style right now, so
What's texture?
texture. Well, I'm gonna use my spatula to make texture, kind of like not exactly very smooth. Some cakes can be smooth, and some cakes can be just with the texture.
And where could, if somebody didn't have a spinning top like you do here,
You
what
can
could
use.
what would you say for alternatives?
You can use any kind of container or a little bucket if you have it.
A little bucket.
Yeah.
Do people have little buckets at home?
I don't know.
Tanya,
Maybe.
I'm throwing the question out here.
Well, what would you use?
I'm
A big.
going to ask for a little bucket as what I'm going to ask for before I leave here today.
Okay. Well, this is kind of like texture cake, right?
All right. It does, so it's not smooth.
It has a
That's
little.
the key here.
Right. You don't really want to have it smooth. We go for the texture today, okay?
I like it.
There we go. You just touch up with the spatula.
This would just, right now, just
It's
this
very
alone would
easy.
be, you could sell this to me right now and I could just walk away. happy.
Exactly.
I'm just
There we
saying, just
go.
saying.
So
All right, now
now I'm going to ask you to do me a favor.
This is your fatal
Put-
mistake.
Yes.
So first off, tell
Mistake.
the folks what you told me about these cookies.
Well-
because these aren't just any like cutout cookies. Oh no.
They're
Tanya's taking
short-
it to the next notch here. What are they?
They're shortbread cookies, and I slightly bake them a little bit longer. Because I wanted them to be a little bit darker on the outside and a
I
little
have
bit.
never.
I know,
Again,
but they're so
I didn't grow up in a
delicious.
baking family, so but that's just really smart.
Yeah, so it gives you little color. We're not gonna color them of any other color, so we will leave them just like that. And then, Jeremy, I want you to place them like around the cake.
All right, this is where.
But this bunny has to be like hopping bunny, okay?
Are you
Try
going
it.
like every other bunny?
Yeah, yeah.
Are you?
You can
All
place
right.
them the way you wanna.
I can already.
There we go. Yeah, yeah,
I can
yeah.
already see that you're upset with
Yeah.
me.
Oh, that's excellent. You are such a good designer. Excellent. There we go.
Thanks
Good
for the
job.
motivation. Good job. Oh,
Good
I
job.
appreciate it.
Yeah, make them standing up. Yep.
All standing up?
Why your hands are shaking right now?
Because I'm
so-
nervous. You're
Oh,
making me sweat.
don't be.
and
You're just doing bunnies around the cake.
That's your fatal mistake again. I'm just saying.
Okay. This bunny is hopping already. There we go. Yeah.
Whew. That was
You did
that was
great
really
job.
difficult. I'm just saying.
You did great job. Okay.
All
I'm
right,
so
so
happy.
bunnies are attached. Now what?
Bunnies are in. Now we're gonna do a little decoration on top. So I'm using this grass tip with a little bit darker color of green icing. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And I'm gonna ask you to decorate.
I want to
that.
see you do a couple before I do it.
Okay,
All
okay.
right? I need
You
some,
just
I gotta see this
you
first.
kind of have to squeeze it and pull it. Squeeze it and pull it. Squeeze it, pull it.
All right.
Okay?
If you're
You
gonna
can do
sell
that.
this cake, you're gonna
Yes.
squeeze
Try
and
to do
pull.
it. Yep, that's it. That's it. That's great. And around the edge.
They're not looking as cool.
Oh, he's doing a great job. Just don't pull too tall.
All right, you finish it off. I've already
Okay.
pulled it too tall. I'm sorry.
That's fine.
Just took this cake down a notch in price. Sorry. She's laughing, but it's true. Uh-huh.
Jeremy was born cake designer.
We could say that this is,
Okay, you know what else you can do? So we have those chocolate eggs, right?
Mhm.
They're so cute. I love Easter. It's beautiful colors and everything. And we're gonna put it exactly around the edge of the cake, but alternate colors. Okay, do it. I'm so excited about our cake. Look at this. It's coming pretty good.
I like these chocolates.
I love it.
Where did you find
Alternate
these
the
chocolates?
colors. Don't put your fingers in
Well,
the icing.
You
Okay.
didn't tell me to do that.
All right, all right.
Finish it off real fast. We're running out of time here.
Oh,
We-
okay.
it's
fine.
all TV time,
All right.
We gotta
I'm
move
sorry.
quick. Oh, don't be sorry. This is looking phenomenal.
All right.
And what this is a wreath, is what you told me.
Yeah, there we go. Like
See, I
some
remembered
people,
something.
Yeah. Don't you put wreath on the door for Easter as well?
I will now.
Yeah, it's cute.
It's very cute. And so to finish it off, your final touches of the eggs, and then moving to what?
And then I made a little tiny bow. Look how cute it is. And I'm gonna put it right here. There we go.
And it didn't take very long. I mean, it took time because you had to tell me what to do, but really, it's very
Right.
simple.
It's
And
very simple.
and it looks
if you
wonderful.
really want to be extremely, clever with decoration, you can put some grass on the bottom as well with bunnies.
And just note the
And
bunnies did
then
not fall off. All right,
maybe
Tanya,
you
I
can-
appreciate
you can
the
put-
time. You finish it off. I'm going to wrap up the segment.
All right.
Come down to Rolling Pin. Ask Tanya for one of her wonderful cakes or other great
Thank you
baker
guys.
items.
Thank you.
Thank you, Tanya,
Thanks,
for letting me
Jeremy, for
participate.
assisting.
We're going to take a quick break. You are watching Talking Fitchburg.